Yes. Our question is, define a class electric bill with the following specifications: instance variable, data member string n, int unit, and double bill. Okay. So same instance variable name we will take, that is string n and int unit and double bill. Here no constructor is there in the question, so we will use accept to accept the value. So scanner coding we will do over here. Scanner s equals to new scanner. Why we are doing the scanner coding? Because in the question it is not given that this accept method will have any input variable or any formal parameter. Means for accepting of these data members, we will use the scanner coding. For the scanner coding, first line obviously we have to import java.util.star, right? Import java.util.star. Okay. Then accept the name. So here system.out. Everyone write this program. Out.println, enter your name, right? So name, n is the variable for the name. Sc dot next to accept the name. Then accept the number of unit. Unmute yourself. Whenever you are having the doubt, you can unmute yourself right now. Mute.
वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग का चालू करवाने का
I'm not getting what you are talking.
वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग का चालू करवाने का
Recording. Sc dot next. Okay. Then here enter unit. Enter unit. Enter units consumed. Then sc dot next int, right? This is your accept. Now twist of this question is void.
It should be units.
Units, yes, it is units. Units. Okay. Then next is void calculate, small v. Void calculate. Yes, it is not like just ordinary if. This is a slab system. And in the board exam, if the class program is coming with a slab system, then you have to attempt it. You should not leave that program कि ओ ये पता नहीं क्या है ऐसा सोच के. No, you have to write. You just understand the things. Again, I'm revising it. As lab system, we have done many times. Here I'm writing this code. Yes, first units, 100 unit. See, first of all, understand the concept. First 100 unit means suppose customer or user is consuming 100 unit. Okay, then directly 200 rupees. Okay, 200 rupees to be given as the bill. Okay, but if after 100 means next 200 means after the 100 till the next 200 means till the 300 unit, user has to pay 3 rupees per unit. But 3 rupees per unit for what? For the next 200 unit, not for the 100 unit. Again, try to understand the question. 100 unit if user consumes, then he has to pay 200 rupees directly. Okay, but after the 100 units, suppose user is consuming 150 unit, right? Then first 100 unit, he has to pay 200 rupees for the first 100 units, right? Then after the 100 means remaining 50 unit amount will be multiplied by 3, means 3 rupees per unit after the 100. Okay, so this is known as the slab system. Then above 300 unit means 100 unit calculation is here, 200 unit calculation is here. Then after the 300 unit, 5 rupees per unit is to be paid and plus 2.5% of the surcharge, means extra amount. So see how we will do. If units less than equals to 100, it can be the 50 unit, it can be 80 unit, still user has to pay bill that will be 200 rupees. So it is in the double, so 200.0 D, right? Then second condition, else if. Okay, so in this else if, units greater than 100. Okay, and next 200 means what? 100 plus 200 is what? 300. So next 200 means after the 100. So after the 100, next 200 is what? 300. So units less than equals to 300. Okay, clear? Then if this is the unit consumed, then bill. What will be the bill? See, first 100 unit will remain same, 200 rupees. Okay, so 200 plus. This 200 is the calculation of first 100 unit. Then after the 100 unit, how much unit are remain to be calculated? Units minus 100. Okay, it is the remaining unit. And this remaining unit multiply by 3.0 D or 3, right? Okay, now else bill equals to first 100 unit is what? 200 plus next 200 means till the 300 unit. So next 200 means 200 multiply by 3. Okay, now this is the calculation for the 100 unit and these are the calculation for the 300 unit. Means how many units are calculated? 300 unit are calculated. Now after the 300 units, suppose user is consuming 350 units. So remaining 50 unit will be calculated by the 5 rupees. So how I will find the remaining unit? Units minus 300. Okay, unit minus 300 multiply by 5. Okay, and then surcharge also we have to calculate, that is 2.5. Now two things. For this surcharge, we didn't declare any instance variable. Okay, instance variable didn't declare yet. Now, what can I do? I can declare one instance, one local variable in this method only. Okay, or I can there is no need to declare the extra variable. I will do the calculation in bill itself. I can do anything. It's depend on you that how much complexity you can bear. Suppose if I am declaring here double surcharge SC equals to bill multiply by 2.5 means what? 2.5 means what? 2.5 divided by 100, right? Okay, and how you can write it? You can write like that also, and you can write 0.025, right? Like that also you can write. Yes or not? 2.5
Yes,
divided by
miss.
100. Okay.
Yes,
Anything you
miss.
can write. You
Yes.
can use anything. For better practice, write this. Okay. Now this is the calculation of the surcharge. Okay, then, but it is not the calculation of the bill. So bill equals to bill, surcharge means extra, bill plus surcharge. Okay, and now here I have to form the braces for this else, because more than one statement are there in this else, right? Yes, then after it, void print, to print all the details. Because it is not mentioned that you have to write in the tabular format, so it's up to you. If you want to write in the tabular format, you can write. Otherwise, without tabular format, you can display the details.
मिस डाउट
Yes.
मिस हमने ऊपर भी स्कैनर एचसी लिया यहाँ पे भी डबल एचसी एरर
Miss
होगा क्या
SC object.
हो सकता है, we'll check it. हो सकता है, yes. Your entered details are here.
Miss,
Yes.
Miss, in the question it is written that it is rate per unit. So in the first, if we have not written
That
units
200
into
is not per unit. 200 rupees for 100 units.
so till 100 all the units will be for the same price.
Till the 100. If user
Okay.
is consuming
Thank you, miss.
100 unit, that also, if user is consuming what to say, 50 units, then also 100. If 99 units, then also 100.
Thank you, miss.
Then after it, here I'm showing it in the tabular format. It will revise this. For the name we have taken n, right, plus backslash t, then plus units, then plus backslash t, then plus bill, right? Okay, now the main method. See, in the class program it is mentioned or not mentioned, but you have to call all the method in the main, public static void main. Public static void main. Here I'm making the object, class name. As the case I have used, that the same case I will use. Electric bill, EC equals to, or any object you can make, obj equals to new electric bill. This is the constructor. Now obj dot, what is input or accept?
Except.
Accept. Okay. Accept. Then obj dot calculate. This is the same. Obj dot print. Right? Yes. Now one more doubt, that we have declared SC as the object variable, scanner variable. So it will take or not. Unclosed string. Okay. Will. Taken. H scope will be there. Okay. And for the better practice, you can change it. Only S. Okay. Or SCH. Surcharge. Compile. Close. Minimize. Execute the electric bill. Void main.
भाई का बर्थडे, भाई का बर्थडे, भाई का बर्थडे।
किसके भाई का बर्थडे है? किसके भाई का बर्थडे है? मेरे भाई का तो नहीं है. Unit consumed, suppose 150. Okay. Now do the calculation with the pen. 150 अगर मैंने यूनिट डाली है तो कितना आउटपुट आना चाहिए? Quickly do. 100 rupees for the first 100. Then remaining 50 will be paid by the 2 rupees per unit. So it should be 200, right? Yes or not? अरे 350 कैसे?
Yes, miss, 350.
350, okay. 3 rupees per unit. Is it correct? Okay. Again I explain. See what's happening here. First 100 units will be 200 rupees. Okay. Then next 200 rupees, 3 rupees per unit. Then above 300 unit, 5 rupees. So first of all, again understand the question that what they are asking. See, first 100 means if unit is less than equals to 100, means till the 100, then user has to pay 200 rupees. Okay, it is clear. Nothing is there in this first statement. Now the second statement, next 200. What is the meaning of next 200? Next 200 means after the 100. So after the 100, what is the next 200? Means till the 300. Understood this term? 100 यूनिट के नेक्स्ट 200 का मतलब क्या होता है? उसका मतलब होता है 300. यही होता है ना. 100 के नेक्स्ट 200 मतलब कि 300. तो 101 से लेकर के 300 यूनिट तक मीन्स ग्रेटर देन 100 से लेकर के दिस इज ग्रेटर देन 100 एंड लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 300. नेक्स्ट की टर्म समझ गई? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ नेक्स्ट? then this next term you will form into the else if. Okay, then what is the calculation? 3 rupees per unit. but 3 rupees per unit किसकी है? 200 यूनिट की. पहली फर्स्ट 100 यूनिट की कैलकुलेशन सिर्फ 200 रुपीज ही है. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? अंडरस्टूड द टर्म? मीन्स अगर 100 यूनिट से ज्यादा कंज्यूम किया है तो जितना ज्यादा कंज्यूम तो नहीं है. यूनिट कंज्यूम सपोज 150. ओके, नाउ डू द कैलकुलेशन विद द पेन. 150 अगर मैंने यूनिट डाली है तो कितना आउटपुट आना चाहिए? क्विकली डू. 100 rupees for the first 100, then remaining 50 will be paid by the 2 rupees per unit. So it should be 200, right? Yes or not? अरे 350 कैसे?
Yes, miss, 350.
350, okay. 3 rupees per unit. Is it correct? Okay. Again I explain. See what's happening here. first 100 units will be 200 rupees. Okay, then next 200 rupees, 3 rupees per unit. Then above 300 unit, 5 rupees. So first of all, again understand the question that what they are asking. See, first 100 means if unit is less than equals to 100, means till the 100, then user has to pay 200 rupees. Okay, it is clear. Nothing is there in this first statement. Now the second statement, next 200. What is the meaning of next 200? Next 200 means after the 100. So after the 100, what is the next 200? Means till the 300. Understood this term? 100 यूनिट के नेक्स्ट 200 का मतलब क्या होता है? उसका मतलब होता है 300. यही होता है ना, 100 के नेक्स्ट 200 मतलब कि 300. तो 101 से लेकर के 300 यूनिट तक मीन्स ग्रेटर देन 100 से लेकर के, दिस इज ग्रेटर देन 100 एंड लेस देन इक्वल्स टू 300. नेक्स्ट ये टर्म समझ गई, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ नेक्स्ट? then this next term you will form into the else if. Okay, then what is the calculation? 3 rupees per unit. but 3 rupees per unit किसकी है? 200 यूनिट की. पहली फर्स्ट 100 यूनिट की कैलकुलेशन सिर्फ 200 रुपीज ही है. ओके, अंडरस्टूड? अंडरस्टूड द टर्म मीन्स अगर 100 यूनिट से ज्यादा कंज्यूम किया है तो जितना ज्यादा कंज्यूम किया है ना, सिर्फ उसी यूनिट को 3 रुपीज से मल्टीप्लाई करना है. उसके पहले की 100 यूनिट के तो 200 रुपीज ही पे करने. अंडरस्टूड? तो हमें पता कैसे चलेगा कि कितने यूनिट को 3 रुपीज से मल्टीप्लाई करना है? हाउ यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट? क्योंकि जितने भी यूनिट डाला है यूजर ने, सपोज यूजर ने डाला 150 यूनिट, तो 150 यूनिट में से 100 यूनिट माइनस कर देंगे तो कितनी यूनिट बची? 50 यूनिट बची ओनली, जो कि 3 से कैलकुलेट करनी है. अंडरस्टूड? गेटिंग द पॉइंट? सो दिस 200 फॉर फर्स्ट 100 यूनिट एंड दिस यूनिट्स माइनस 100. ओके, मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3. Okay, then else. Now else is what? More than 300 unit. Because see 100 यूनिट की कैलकुलेशन इतनी हो गई, 200 नेक्स्ट 200 की यहाँ हो गई, मतलब कि टिल द 300 की यूनिट हो गई. अभी तक ये भी अगर फिर से नहीं समझा है कि 300 अबव क्यों? बिकॉज नेक्स्ट ऑफ 100 200 इट मीन्स इट इज 300. तो यहाँ तक कैलकुलेशन किनकी हो गई? 300 यूनिट तक की कैलकुलेशन यहाँ हो गई. अब 300 यूनिट के बाद जो भी रीडिंग आएगी, रीडिंग मीन्स जो भी यूनिट आएगी, वो यूनिट 5 रुपीज के अकॉर्डिंग कैलकुलेट होगी और उसमें 2.5 सरचार्ज भी देना होगा. राइट? तो यहाँ पर एल्स ये 200 रुपीज इज व्हाट? फर्स्ट 100 यूनिट के लिए. Then this 200 multiplied by 3 is what? Next 200 के लिए. मतलब यहाँ पे 100 यूनिट की कैलकुलेशन हो गई और यहाँ पे 200 यूनिट की कैलकुलेशन हो गई, तो टोटल 300 यूनिट की कैलकुलेशन हो गई. अब जो मुझे कैलकुलेशन करनी है वो करना है 300 के बाद जितने यूनिट बचते हैं उनकी. तो यूनिट माइनस 300 करेंगे ना. क्लियर? देन मल्टीप्लाई बाय 5. सो और सरचार्ज भी देना है, तो सरचार्ज 2.5% है बिल का, वो मैंने कैलकुलेट किया. और इसे डिक्लेयर सिर्फ यही करेंगे बिकॉज इट इज नॉट गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन कि इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल बनाना है. जितने इंस्टेंस वेरिएबल बनाने के लिए क्वेश्चन में बोला है बस उतने ही बनाएंगे. राइट? उसके बाद यहाँ पर प्रिंट मैंने टेबुलर फॉर्मेट में किया है. इफ इट इज नॉट मेंशन तो without tabular भी you can do that. समझ गए? Clear the question and according to the question how we will form this program. Is it clear? Clear everyone? Okay, now here I'm stopping.